So I'm going to be telling you more about this juicer. It is very, very cheap and easy to use. So here it has two compartments, which is this one and this one. This is for the juice wastes. This is where everything comes to, and this is where the extracted juice comes in. So it is also very easy to wash, like so. After using, you just have to bring this out and wash and clean everything properly after use. So ensure when you are back using it, you close this properly. If you don't close this properly like this, it's not going to work. So that doesn't mean that the juicer is bad. No, it's because you didn't close it properly. There is the speed control and the off and on button. So let's try it. This is one of the cheapest fruit juicer you can actually get in the market right now. So today I'm going to be making my honest review about it. So let's get started. Overall, I think this juicer is quite okay. So as you can see, this is the segment for the particles. So this is where all the particles comes together, and here is the segment for the juice, the extracted juice. Overall, I think this product is okay. It's quite affordable, and you also get the same results as every other product. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.